Hello and welcome. I'm going to be doing a tour of a new Home Depot here, showing the tool department and how it's an expanded edition compared to other stores. So I hope you enjoy. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour. This is the tool department. This is insane. They have so many tools here, tools I've never seen before. And I'll go through the tool sections. They have everything covered: Ryobi, Ridgid, Makita, DeWalt and Milwaukee. It's absolutely insane. And in the tool section here, they actually have the lawn equipment, the battery-powered lawn and garden items, the tools, in with the power tool section. So it's kind of different layout than what most Home Depots are laid out at. All right, so starting off here in the Ryobi section, you kind of see the different tools, like this one I haven't seen before. They have this PVC cutter by Ryobi. It's $99. So I'm just going to kind of go quickly through each aisle to show you what all they have in this store. And on the other side of this aisle, they have the Ryobi yard equipment between both the 40 volt and the 18 volt systems. And they also have the power washers mixed in the tool section here as well. But they also have the string trimmers, the gas powered ones by Echo. It really is a great layout here. And they have the lawnmowers, the gas powered ones. Kind of makes sense to have everything in one section compared to the other stores where they have it separated by the department. And here on this end cap they have the different flashlights. Next aisle over here, they have the different power washers, both electric and gas models, as well as the generators. And then getting into the nailers section and nails. And then more power washers here. They carry Ryobi and DeWalt ones. And then the air compressors. And if any of you recall, way back in the day when Home Depot used to have nice employees and they greeted you and said hi and was willing to help any way they could. That's what it's like here at this store. I was quite surprised. So now I'm getting into more. Next aisle over here, it's more Ryobi tools. And then they also have the Ridgid on the other side here. So they have like the Ridgid nailers, mixed in with the other Ridgid power tools. And they do the same thing with the Ryobi, the nailers, and then the different power tools. It really does make sense to have it laid out like this. In the center aisle here, the front aisle, they have the different like Milwaukee deals, and then Ryobi. So heading over to the next aisle over now, is the Makita aisle. Now, I really haven't seen so many Makita tools before. I didn't know they had such a variety, especially compared to other stores. They only have a select few really to choose from. But they do have quite the variety at this store, especially including the double bevel sliding compound miter saw. It's $1,300. The $770 bandsaw, as well as the variety of demolition hammers. And they have the nailers mixed in. Get into the yard equipment between their mowers and then the pruning saw. Then they have the blowers and chainsaws over here. And then each aisle they have, but the middle aisle, at each end cap, they have it's the battery section for each of the brands. So there's the Ryobi over there, and then obviously Makita here. And then they have the DeWalt section. Go ahead. Thank you. And the next aisle over is the DeWalt tools mixed in with Milwaukee pack-out ones. So again, they have like starting off with the yard equipment between the chainsaws, blowers, and trimmer varieties that they carry. And then we get into the DeWalt power tools, the nailers, all the other tools they carry. Many tools that other stores don't carry, and I was actually told that this is actually a small store compared to the others in the area. It's actually compact, but the tool section is absolutely mammoth compared to the others. So they even have like a concrete saw from DeWalt, the 60-volt one for $900. And the demolition hammer, rotary hammer one for $869. They have the different nailers and the hole saw kits here. Different drills and impacts. Very nice. And also at the end of each aisle, they also have the displays for the different tools between the DeWalt, Makita, Ryobi down there. These are DeWalt tools. Oh, like here's a deal here: the belt sander for $249. It was $299. I could certainly do some damage to my wallet in this store. And obviously the pack-out section. Very nice. Another end cap here with the Milwaukee batteries and chargers, the different kit options they have available. And then getting into the last aisle here is the Milwaukee aisle. Starting off with their shop vacs. And then getting into the nailers. And on the other side here they have the yard equipment, the trimmers and the blowers, as well as the chainsaws. But everything is nicely displayed. Yes, we go from the M18 tools over into the M12 section right here. They even have the assortment of the stubbies they have. So the M18 tools are further back over here. Again, here they have like the pole saw, trimmers, and the different attachments, as well as the mower. So here on the other side of the aisle are the M18 options. And then also they have above all those tools, they have all the different bits that they have available. And they want to display all the different impact wrenches and the variety of the hole saw. So they even have the concrete saw on display. Even the other stores don't have that. They even have the metal circular saw. And the track saw on display. They have quite the variety here. Barrel grip jigsaw, the regular jigsaw. And then we have the new sander in, the DA polisher, caulking gun, different augers they have, transfer pump, some radios, and the different lights they offer. So this is in a nutshell how they have this tool section laid out. I really like it. I wish it was closer so I can visit it more often, but I really like how they have this laid out. It's definitely a bigger section than other stores have, but I wanted to share it with you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Alright, so that concludes this tour of the tool section at this newer Home Depot. Let me know how you guys like it and what you think of it, and if you wish your store was laid out like this. Certainly impressive. Now be sure to like and subscribe for more DIY tips, tricks, and reviews, as well as these deal videos and different. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.